Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 11. I'm going to explain about ordinal number and gender. Chapter 11 or bab 11. Gender and numbers, ordinal numbers. When we use words denoting persons or animals, we generally use them in the common gender. For example, the English sentence "That is my son" would be expressed "Itu anak saya." That is my son. Son is boy. But in Malay sentence, anak saya, my child, my kid. Similarly, the sentence "These girls are industrious" is expressed as budak-budak itu rajin. Budak-budak, kids or children. Rajin, industrious or diligent. However, if the gender is to be determined, it is done by placing the words lelaki, male, and perempuan to most nouns denoting persons. So if we want to say that is my son, itu anak lelaki saya, specific. These girls are industrious. Budak-budak perempuan itu rajin. For animals, jantan and betina are used respectively. For animals, jantan means male, betina female. Examples of nouns denoting persons. Budak perempuan, girl. Budak, kid or child. Budak lelaki, boy. Orang perempuan, woman. Orang lelaki, man. Orang, person or people. Pelayan perempuan, waitress. Pelayan lelaki, waiter or server. Pelayan, waiter, waitress or server. Layan means serve or entertain. Murid perempuan, female pupil or female student. Murid lelaki, male pupil or student. Murid, pupil or student. Doktor perempuan, female doctor. Doktor lelaki, male doctor. Example of nouns denoting animals. Ayam jantan, rooster. Ayam betina, hen. Ayam, chicken. Lembu jantan, bull. Lembu betina, cow. Lembu is cow. Singa jantan, lion. Singa betina, lioness. Harimau jantan, tiger. Harimau betina, tigress. There are masculine and feminine. Seniman, artist, male. Seniman, base word is seni. Seni means art. Seniwati, artist, female. Maharaja, emperor. Raja means king. Maha means the most. Maharani, empress. Putra, prince. Putri, princess. Ustaz, male religious teacher. Ustaz means teacher in Arabic language. Ustazah, female religious teacher. Mahasiswa, male university student. Mahasiswi, female university student. Lelaki, perempuan, jantan and betina should be used only when the gender is determined. Examples. Orang ini tukang masak. This man or woman is a cook or is a chef. Budak lelaki ada rama-rama, budak perempuan ada coklat. The boys have butterflies. The girls have chocolates. Gopal ada 5 ekor lembu. Or Gopal ada 5 ekor lembu betina or lembu jantan. Gopal has 5 cows. Ayam jantan 2 ekor itu cantik. Ayam jantan roosters 2 ekor, 2, cantik, beautiful. Usually we put the number first. 2 ekor ayam jantan itu, number and noun. 2 ekor ayam jantan itu cantik, adjective. Number, noun and adjective. Now we go to ordinal numbers. Ordinals in bahasa Melayu are expressed as follows. Yang pertama, first. Yang kedua, second. Yang ketiga, third. Yang keempat, fourth. Yang kelima, fifth. Yang keenam, sixth. Yang ketujuh, seventh. Yang ke-8, eighth. Yang ke-9, ninth. Yang ke-10, 10th. Only the first one we say pertama, but the rest, two, and so on, add the prefix ke. And you can skip yang, no problem if you don't say yang. First, yang pertama, only the first different, because one means satu, but first become pertama. The rest are formed by placing the word yang and ke, or just ke, kedua, ketiga, keempat, and so on. A noun when used comes before the ordinal, like this. Noun, murid yang pertama, the first student. Yang also means that, who, which. Murid yang pertama could also means the student that is the first. Bilik yang ketiga, the third room, or the room that is the third. You can skip yang. You can also say bilik ketiga, murid pertama, no problem. Hari yang keempat, the fourth day. Rumah yang kelima, the fifth house. Pelajaran yang ke-8, the 8th lesson. Ayat yang ke-10, the 10th sentence. Budak yang ke-20, the 20th child or kid, boy or girl. Perkataan yang kedua, the second word. Okay, this is at the airport, the place when you wait for your luggage, for you to retrieve back. Okay, 9, 9. Like here, bag terakhir sampai. The bag from Jakarta. From Denpasar, bag terakhir sampai. But look at this, from Incheon, bag pertama sampai. Or bag yang pertama, it means the first bag arrive. Pertama, bag pertama, first bag arrive. Sampai means arrive or reach. Bag terakhir sampai. Terakhir means last. From the word akhir, last or end. Words to remember. Nouns. Ayat, sentence. Bola, ball. Hari, day. Malam, night. Muka surat, page. Muka, face. Surat, letter. But we combine two nouns to make a new word. Muka surat, page. Perkataan, word. Perbendaharaan kata, vocabularies or kosakata. Pelajaran, lesson. Pengajaran, teaching, from the word ajar, teach. Adjectives, kotor, dirty. Mahal, expensive. Murah. Murah means cheap. Murah is opposite of mahal, cheap. Pendek, short. Sejuk, cold. Susah, difficult. Perbualan or conversation. Bilik yang keberapa mahal? Which room is expensive? Bilik yang pertama mahal. The first room is expensive. Bilik yang keberapa murah? Which room is cheap? Bilik yang kedua murah. The second room is cheap. Ayat ini panjang ke? Is this sentence long? Tidak. Ayat ini tidak panjang. Ayat yang kelima panjang. No. This sentence is not long. The fifth sentence is long. Ayat yang ketiga panjang atau pendek? The third sentence long or short? Ayat yang ketiga pendek. The third sentence is short. Hari yang keberapa panas? Which day is hot? Hari yang kedua panas. The second day is hot. Malam yang keberapa sejuk? Which night is cold? Malam yang keempat sejuk. The fourth night is cold. Rumah yang ketiga itu berapa harganya? The third house is how much? Or how much for the third house? Rumah yang ketiga itu harganya RM80,000. The third house, its price is RM80,000. Ini pelajaran yang keberapa? Which lesson is this? Ini pelajaran yang ke-11. This is the 11th lesson. Exercise. Latihan. Pulau, island. Bilik, room. Pelajaran, lesson. Tangga, stair or ladder. Pokok, tree. Budak, kid or child, boy or girl. Lampu, lamp. Bandar, town. Kuda, horse. Yang pertama, first or just pertama. Kedua, second. Ketiga, third. Keempat, fourth. Kelima, fifth. Panjang, long. Bersih, clean. Kecil, small. Tinggi, tall. Senang, easy. Baharu or baru, new. Cantik, beautiful. Kotor, dirty. For example, pulau yang kedua bersih. Or pulau kedua bersih. The second island is clean. Bilik pertama kecil. First room is small. Pelajaran kelima senang. The fifth lesson is easy. Tangga yang ketiga panjang. The third stair or the third ladder is long. Pokok yang pertama tinggi. The first tree is tall. Budak yang kedua cantik. The second child is pretty. Lampu yang keempat kotor. The fourth lamp is dirty. Bandar yang kelima bersih. The fifth town is clean. Kuda yang pertama baharu. The first horse is new. Another exercise. Nombor 1. Malaysia is the first Asian nation to host the Commonwealth Games. Malaysia ialah negara Asia pertama yang menjadi tuan rumah untuk Sukan Commonwealth. Nombor 2. The second day is hot. Hari yang kedua panas. Nombor 3. The fourth lesson is very easy. Pelajaran yang keempat senang or sangat senang. 4. The second letter was long. Surat yang kedua panjang. 5. The third window is large. Tingkap yang ketiga besar. 6. Malaysia won the first gold medal from bowling. Malaysia memenangi, from the word menang. Menang means win. Malaysia memenangi pingat emas yang pertama dalam acara bowling. Acara means event. Or you can skip acara. Pingat emas yang pertama dalam bowling. Pingat means medal. Piala, cup. Pingat, medal. 7. The boxer was eliminated in the fourth round. Peninju itu dikalahkan dalam pusingan yang keempat. Boxer, peninju. Boxing, tinju. Kalah, defeat or lose. 8. The sixth sentence is long. Ayat yang keenam panjang. 9. Martina Hingis won her 7th tennis championship title last year. Martina Hingis memenangi kejohanan tenis yang ke-7 tahun lepas. 10. The 10th night was cold. Malam yang ke-10 sejuk. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.